20, I'm not getting it. If it's less than 20, I will be getting it. Valid? But are people that are buying so many? Andrea says that it's not very pretty. Sì, non è bellissima. It's not super gorgeous. I would have to say something. I hate line cutters. Me too. Okay, wait. So I'm assuming that, behind that lady, you see that there's like a blue screen? Those are all the pins. I don't know if I want to spend the money. They could just like write the prices somewhere. Andrea said 15. Forse sì. Everybody's just cutting lines. No, 50 euros. Scusami, quanto vengono?
12 questi.
12?
Sì,
Ok, grazie. 12. 12. 12. What do we think, you guys? What do we think? 12 euros. Insomma. Okay, no, let's not get it for now. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna get some other souvenir. Because it's like 12 euros is not a lot, but buy 10 of them, and what do I do? No. Would you buy them? It's just like it's technically limited edition, yes. However, it's just like a random 16 days. It's not even that pretty. I would probably buy it and lose it tomorrow. Like 100%, I would just like lose it. We have a whole day. It's fine. We can find some other souvenir. Something that is like a little bit nicer. Like I would prefer spending the money on something that I can actually use. If it was like an Olympics cap for 12 euros, yeah. Esatto. Andrea is also saying that like if it's not particularly pretty, it doesn't make a lot of sense, right? No, we have a whole day today. Like we'll find something. We'll find something. You'd rather spend 12 euros on those carnival baked things you mentioned? Oh yeah, we're spending the money on that 100%. 100%. No, you're like, I just feel like, I don't know, I have never cared for pins. I guess that I didn't even realize that you were able to collect them if it was needed. So yeah, let's just walk around a little bit more. Here we are in this area. Oh, thank you for the beanies. Wait. Not much going on here. I just have to remember that I'm supposed to buy a selfie stick. That is a lamp store. I need like a tech stuff. Yeah, that's true also. You need to start a battle jacket to put the pins on. Yeah, but then like it becomes an obsession. Another selfie stick, I forgot one today. I'm not using one right now, I'm using my arm. So I mean, I guess that I'm not mad because we're working on those guns on my muscles. But I need one. I wanted to go to Flying Tiger, do you know that store? Because like there was one in the metro when I arrived. But we didn't have a selfie stick. Like normally we have it for 4 euros. Now we didn't have it. Get lunch? No, I already ate it. It's almost 4 p.m. here. I had a nice doner kebab. I'm very full. Which I don't know if I have to blame the kebab or my horrible laundry technique. But I had trouble closing the button on my jeans today. Like it just wasn't closing. The jeans was feeling quite stiff, like it just dried. You know, like when the jeans are just like freshly cleaned, so it's a little stiff. That was the feeling, but I couldn't close it for a while. I was like, oh my god. Then like I squeezed in and I managed to close the jeans, but like if I have to go pee, I don't know if I will be able to close them again. Yeah, it's a jeans fault. It's not the doner kebab and all the other things that I had today. By the way, okay, speaking of souvenirs, you guys, in front of me right now, there are 2 official stores. Do we want to? Oh, wait, there's the Grana Padano. Yes, let's go. Let's go to the cheese store. The line isn't even that big. Grana Padano. Let's see what they have inside. Okay. I'm not sure what they're doing. Are they going or not? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Are they lining up? No, they're just okay. The Grana Padano is a cheese. Kebabs don't have calories, so it couldn't be that. Oh, sure.